How do you remain hopeful for Tibet? At the age of 16, I lost my freedom. At 24, I lost my country. For more than 50 years since then, I have had to deal with often heartbreaking news from Tibet, but I have never lost hope. I am convinced of the power of truth and honesty. No matter what difficulties you may face, don't let your determination slacken. 你如何对西藏保持希望？在我16岁时，我失去了自由；24岁时，我失去了我的国家。此后50多年来，我不断收到来自西藏的令人心碎的消息，但我从未失去希望。我坚信真理和诚实的力量，无论你面临何种困难，都不要让你的决心松懈。